Do you need to pull in the last value from a range of cells? With XLOOKUP, it's easy to do. Here's how. I've got a list of invoices here, and I'm going to set up my XLOOKUP function so it actually looks up a true value. And it's not really a true value because I'm evaluating some conditions here in my lookup array, which is the next argument. So I'm going to look up this array, and I'm going to use the greater than or less than operators to say it's not equal to a blank value. So in other words, I'm evaluating this range to find non-blank cells. Hence, I'm looking for a true value. Now, obviously, every criteria is going to be met here, but what I'm going to do is for the last argument in my XLOOKUP range, I'm going to set the search mode to -1. So it searches from last to first. When I do that, now it's going to pull in this last value.